Hello, I am siblings. Today I'm here to discuss an important development in civil rights protections. The Pregnant Workers Fairness Act, or PWFA, became effective June 27, 2023, and it made a significant change. It now mandates that all employers with 15 or more employees provide reasonable accommodations to workers who are pregnant or have pregnancy-related conditions. Let's talk about why this is necessary. Previously, under the Pregnancy Discrimination Act, workers were protected from discrimination based on pregnancy and related conditions, but there was a catch. To establish a case, a worker had to prove she was treated differently from non-pregnant employees in similar situations. This meant that if there was no direct comparison, a pregnant worker often couldn't make a case. Even the Americans with Disabilities Act didn't provide much help for pregnant workers because it traditionally didn't cover temporary disabilities like a broken leg, so it was interpreted to exclude the average pregnant worker. This new law, on the other hand, signed by President Biden earlier this year, treats all pregnancy and related conditions as if the ADA covered them. So just like the ADA, employers with 15 or more employees are covered, and they must provide reasonable accommodations for qualified employees facing temporary physical or mental limitations due to pregnancy, childbirth, or related conditions. This includes conditions like infertility, miscarriages, and postpartum depression. And here's the key. Employers cannot retaliate against workers seeking such accommodations. Plus, there's an important improvement over the ADA. Employers can't impose a reasonable accommodation. Instead, they must engage in an interactive process with the employee to find the appropriate reasonable accommodation. We anticipate workers will be raising this issue on the shop floor and seeking guidance from their representatives. Now, while the EEOC is expected to issue additional guidance in December, workers can already file complaints with the EEOC if their employers refuse to cooperate or provide reasonable accommodations. This is excellent news for pregnant workers, and it is essential that we spread the word. Let's do everything possible to inform our reps in the field to ensure every IAM member knows about these rights. Thank you for your attention, and let's continue working together to protect the rights of pregnant and all workers.